How to fix Valorant VAN9003 error in Windows 11. So this error is directly tied to your BIOS settings. So in BIOS settings, if you don't have Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 enabled, you'll get this error. So these are pretty much just the security settings that your PC uses on the motherboard level to make sure that you're safe, so that you're not hacked, so that you don't have any viruses, etc, etc. So first off, you will have to have a motherboard that's supported. But most modern motherboards, say from 5 years in the past and now, should have this technology installed. It's a chip inside of your motherboard, so you should have it, and this feature should be working by default and should be enabled by default. If it's not, you go to the BIOS and enable it yourself. Let me show you how. Alright, so I'm restarting my PC now, and let me show you guys what to do. So press on delete or whatever hotkey you have to launch your BIOS. I have delete on my particular MSI board, and there you go. This is going to be your motherboard's BIOS. And now guys, let us search for those two functions. Alright, so you go to your settings, then you go to security, and make sure that your secure boot, whatever here, is enabled. As you can see, in my case it's enabled, so all good. And also now TPM. So this feature is going to be called differently on different motherboards. In my case, it should be as FTPM. Okay, so in my case, it's once again security, then trusted computing, and enable this AMD FTPM switch. As you can see, in my case, it's enabled, and my Valorant is running all good. So FTPM, switch, and trusted boot, or trust boot, or whatever it's called. And after that, you just go ahead and restart your PC, just normally like this. Let me just save the changes like this, and now let your PC restart, and everything should be running all perfectly. So that's it. That's the technique of fixing this error. Enjoy guys. If this helps you out, like and subscribe.